Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize WooCommerce REST API keys, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize WooCommerce REST API keys, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, navigate to the WooCommerce section. In the WooCommerce menu, click on the Settings option. Once on the Settings page, locate and select the Advanced tab. Within the Advanced tab, find the REST API link and click on it. This will direct you to the REST API Keys Management page. To create a new key, click the Add Key button. A form will appear where you can assign a description for the key. Choose a specific user from the drop-down list who will use the API key. Select the level of access you want to grant, read, write, or read/write. After filling in the required information, click the Generate API Key button. Your new API keys will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to copy both the consumer key and consumer secret. These keys will be needed for authentication in your application. To test your API key authorization, use an API client like Postman. In Postman, configure a new request and enter your WooCommerce store URL. Select the appropriate request method based on the desired action. In the Authorization tab, choose Basic Auth and enter your consumer key and consumer secret. Now click the Send button to make a request to the WooCommerce API. If successful, you will receive a response indicating that your authorization is valid. If any errors occur, double-check your API key permissions and URL. Congratulations, you have now successfully authorized WooCommerce REST API keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.